The 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429 is a legendary American muscle car that embodies the performance and style of the late 19s. With its aggressive styling and powerful engine, the Boss 429 was designed to dominate the drag strips and road courses. The Boss 429 featured a range of advanced specs, including a 429S V8 engine producing 375 horsepower, a heavy-duty suspension system, and distinctive styling cues. The vehicle's design was notable for its aggressive front spoiler, side stripes, and unique rear deck. In terms of engine power, the Boss 429's 429 SID V8 engine was a beast, producing 375 horsepower and 450 pounds-ft of torque. This engine was specifically designed for racing, and it helped to establish the Boss 429 as a formidable competitor on the track. The Boss 429's performance capabilities were unmatched by many of its contemporaries, and it quickly gained a reputation as a force to be reckoned with. Compared to other models in the Ford lineup, the Boss 429 stood out for its exceptional performance capabilities and aggressive styling. The Mustang GT, for example, was a more refined and luxurious model, while the Shelby GT was a hype variant with a range of advanced features. The Boss 429, however, was a true racing machine, designed to compete at the highest level of motorsport. Its powerful engine and advanced suspension system made it a dominant force on the track. The 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 400 played a significant role in automotive history, as it helped to establish the Mustang as a major player in the muscle car market. With only 859 units produced, the Boss 429 is a rare and highly collectible vehicle that is prized by car enthusiasts and collectors. Today, restored Boss 429s can be seen at car shows and museums, and they continue to inspire admiration and awe. The Boss 429's legacy is a testament to the innovation and performance of American muscle cars, and it remains an iconic symbol of the late 1960s automotive scene. Its impact on the industry can still be felt today, and it continues to be celebrated by car enthusiasts around the world.